In a world where dreams seem impossible and barriers insurmountable, there emerges a man who defies all odds. His name? Elon Musk. Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur who revolutionized industries, inspires us all to dream bigger, reach higher, and never settle for mediocrity. The first step is to establish that something is possible. Then, the probability will occur. Quoted by Elon Musk. With these words, Musk ignites a spark within us, urging us to push the boundaries of what we believe is achievable. He proves that the unimaginable can become our reality. Each of us possesses untapped potential, waiting to be unleashed. Just like Elon Musk, we have the power to make a difference, to change the world. Let Musk's words be etched into your soul. Remember, when faced with adversity, it is the fire within you that will guide you to triumph. Elon Musk's relentless pursuit of excellence teaches us that success comes to those who refuse to give up, who persevere through the darkest of nights to witness the dawn of their dreams. Dare to take that leap of faith, for it is in the unknown that true greatness lies. Embrace the uncertainty, for it is the fertile ground from which innovation blooms. Remember, success isn't an overnight phenomenon. It's the result of relentless effort, unwavering determination, and a belief in oneself. So, my friend, let Elon Musk's remarkable journey inspire you. Embrace your dreams, overcome your doubts, and become the architect of your own success. The path may be challenging, but with a heart full of passion and a mind brimming with possibilities, you too can achieve greatness. Today's video ends with a powerful quote from Elon Musk. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for getting notifications for future videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay motivated.